What's up, guys? If you're on the hunt for an HR and payroll system that can handle everything from hiring to paying your team, you'll want to hear about Paycor. In this video, we'll walk through its key features, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it lives up to the hype. Let's get started. Paycor is a powerful HR and payroll platform that aims to take the hassle out of workforce management. Its payroll functionality is a major plus, offering automated tax filings, direct deposits, and detailed payroll reports, which save time and reduce manual errors. The HR tools are equally impressive, with modules for recruiting, onboarding, and performance management, helping businesses attract and retain top talent. The time tracking feature is another highlight, allowing employees to clock in and out while managers can easily approve hours and sync them with payroll. Paycor also handles benefits administration, simplifying the management of health insurance, 401k plans, and other employee benefits. However, some users mention that the learning curve can be steep for new admins, and the interface, while clean, may feel overwhelming at first. Pricing isn't transparent, so you'll need to contact sales for a quote, which can be a drawback for budget-conscious businesses. Customer support is decent, but may not always be instant during high-demand periods. Overall, Paycor is a solid choice for mid-sized businesses needing an integrated HR and payroll system, and the demo on their site does a great job showcasing its potential. Thanks for tuning in to this Paycor review. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment letting me know what software you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more in-depth reviews like this one. Catch you in the next video.